And we've been working over here with our students at 15 Beaver Court. Ever since the foundation was placed back in late fall, and they placed the house on the foundation come mid-October. A lot of construction's been going on since they first placed it. They added on a new addition, which is the living room, and we've had the juniors and the seniors from our electrical shop coming, and we've already pretty much done about 90% of the inside wiring. The students have done an array of electrical work ranging from putting in recessed lights to putting in outlet receptacles, inside wiring, as well as putting in the permanent power from the street. Along with that, we've had our crew of plumbers. Mr. Bashan has had his students here, his juniors and his seniors, doing a lot of the plumbing. They have the boiler in. They have some of the piping in for the washer dryer, as well as other heating systems that they've put in around the building. And they also have the tubs and everything else in too. The carpentry department, Mr. Barstow, and his students, juniors and seniors, have really done a great job getting the living room done, as well as adding right now they're working on getting the vinyl siding on the side of the house. The good news is that as far as the electrical department and electrical is concerned with the building, we're about 90% done with what we refer to as the rough-in wiring, which is all of the wires that run through the wall. We've got our electrical panel in, and we're getting all of our home runs and our lights and our cable and our internet and television. All the basic rough-in wiring is going to be done hopefully by the end of the week, if not by the end of next week, and we can call for a rough-in, and the electrical inspector will come in and approve what's been done by our students. And then once that's done, the next step is they can go and insulate the walls. They can put up the sheetrock. And then later on, after all the sheetrock and the insulation is done, we'll come back and do what's referred to as the finished work, where we actually have the opportunity to put in the receptacles, the switches, the recessed lights, and all the devices, and really make the place start looking more like a home.
The most challenging thing about this was putting up the recessed lights in the family room, because they had to be even on a slanted surface, and I had to put them in by myself.
This is a highly valuable opportunity for these students, because in the world of construction, whether it's electricity, carpentry, or plumbing, or even construction crafts, there is no better way to learn than to have an actual hands-on experience. And this is what this project does for these students, is offer them a true opportunity to put their name on something and to work hands-on out of the school, on-site, on a real construction site, which will allow them an opportunity to see real-world experience.
Teamwork, we've been a lot better working together than separately. So the teacher has us working as a true partner group, so we can help each other do what we need to do.
Looks good, guys. Doing a great job.